how to use funnels to get customers if you are a singer, a music band, or a musician. Hi, Massimo here. Last day, I think it was 3 days ago, I was speaking with a friend of mine, Donna, who was telling me that things were going so and so, that they had some problems in order to make themselves known as singer and band, because she sings into a band group, okay, and that with coronavirus things went worst, because anyway the point is that there were problems in doing the rehearsals, and so on. And she said me, look, Massimo, I have my songs, and me, my partner and my group, we want to sell the songs and so on. We are a band. We want to go on, and then I thought, well, I know how to do this. Well, I thought, look, I'm going to give you some suggestions. You should use YouTube in order to sell your stuff. And she told me, yes, this is the same idea that my pal had, but I had information about YouTube closing channels and so on, and I'm using YouTube and then they close my channel and so on. I told her, look, your channel is not going to be about politics and not going to be about religions, not going to be about fighting big pharma and so on. Your YouTube channel is going to be about music. Unless your songs are against one of these three categories, which I strongly adopt, you're not going to have problem. But anyway, if your channel is going to be closed, no problem. You can use Vimeo, you can use Dailymotion. YouTube is the most known, okay? So it is just a tool, a vehicle. Don't be worried about this. Just listen what my suggestions are. Basically, what you want to do, and this is the same thing for every person who is in the art field. In this case, we're speaking about singers, musicians, and bands who want to make themselves known and sell their stuff. YouTube or Dailymotion or Facebook, where you can put your stuff, are just the places where you show what you can do, okay? Basically, my idea is using funnels. In this case, not funnels which are online selling automated system. In this case, you are not selling something particular like a physical object, but songs, your songs, okay? But YouTube doesn't allow you to sell songs. You have to have a sales funnel. And how would this work? Well, I told her, look, you can use Facebook or YouTube. In Facebook you can create a group, Facebook, YouTube, and for example, what other? Twitter, okay, whatever. Let's say Facebook and YouTube. You can use Facebook and YouTube, and you can just speak about YouTube. Let us do this really simple. You can use YouTube in order to create covers, okay? You create covers of songs, and every three covers of that your band is going to do when you are going to sing, the fourth song is one of your songs. You are going to make you are going to use tags in the covers, okay, in the videos, which are especially in the covers, about the songs which are already known, okay, because they are famous covers of famous songs that you and your group are performing, and you then will put the link of your sales funnel. And what you are going to do is that you are going then to create a special list into your YouTube channel with only your songs, okay, and with songs that you didn't publish it, okay, maybe you publish 1 or 2 songs, okay, and then all the songs that you create, and proposing from time to time maybe a new songs, okay, or you know, just yeah, you have to create a lot of songs, okay, you have to do, and from time to time you put 1 song, maybe every 4 or 5 covers on YouTube, you put 1 song, and then with the link to your sales funnels, and your sales funnels will be structured so that the people is going to see your landing page where they leave your name and your their name and their email, okay, and so that they will get a bonus of 2 or 3 songs, okay, as an exchange, okay, for the other, or added with a PDF with the story of how you reach, you know, how you created your group, your band, and so on, or some, I don't know, 3 tips on how to sing. Okay, 3 tips on how to sing properly. Okay, like this, 3 tips on how to sing properly. Okay, and then you ask in exchange the name and the email. Okay, and then when people put name and email, the funnel has the second page where you just show them your story, the story of your band, and so on, the songs that you want to sell them. Okay, a group of songs which are in the particular list, which is not listed on YouTube, so that no one public can. They are not public, so that people cannot just go into the list of songs which are composed. This list is composed from the 2, 3, or 4 songs that you used amongst the covers, plus other songs which are not on your YouTube channel. Okay, and you are going to sell these first, you know, these songs, you know, for example, 90 cents per song, or €1 per song, like other app do. Okay, just €1, 90 cents, like a famous platform does, and people will just get them, and you will earn money as band. Okay. The point is that just having only the songs for 90 cents for songs is not that great deal. The point is that you have to make upsells. Maybe you can then, in the next page of the funnel, sales funnel, you can say something. Hey, wait a moment. You bought our songs, our CD, or our you know, MP3 collection, okay, that we are sending you. But what about 5 lessons on how to sing? Or if your band, there is someone in your band that is playing guitar, 5 lessons on how to sing. You can get them for this extra price. I don't know. $10. This is an upsell. You started with your songs for 97 cents, and then you are going to upsell them 5 lessons on how to sing properly, the basics. And the person says, no, I know how to sing. No, I'm not interested in singing. And okay, that's it. It's fine for me. If they don't buy, they click, and another upsell. The guy who is playing the guitar in your band says, hey, wait a moment, you are not singing, okay, but maybe you are interested in learning how to play the guitar. Do you want to get 5 lessons on how to play properly the guitar, the basics and so on? Yes, I would like. Cool, I would like to learn the guitar. And they didn't buy the 5 lessons about singing, but they are going to buy the 5 lessons guitar lessons, okay, and so on. And there is someone other in your band, someone who is playing the trumpet, same thing, other 5 lessons for other $10. And all of you guys can make money from this, the whole band. You can then decide to divide the money amongst you, or you can decide to get money, the upsells you see, because when you build the funnel, there are the steps of the funnel, the upsell about songs, upsell about the trumpet, upsell about the guitar lessons and so on, and you know exactly how much you earned, every step earned, okay, so that the guy with the guitar takes his money, the guy with the trumpet his money, you who are singing, you get your money, okay. If you don't want to divide just this, you know, but it is a team effort. It would be better if all the money that comes will be divided with everyone at the end of the month. It would be good, because if people see you that you are singing, it is thanks to the other guys who are playing the instruments, you know. Okay, so anyway, so that no one is left away, and this is a way to do this. So you just use YouTube as a place where you have once the public videos, 3 covers and 1 song, or 4 covers and 1 song, 4 covers and 1 song, 3 covers and 1 song, okay. Then a hidden list with the songs that you want to sell, which will be then sold from the funnels automatically 24 hours per day, 365 days per year, okay, non-stop. This will be your sales team, and you don't have to worry about selling it. With the funnel, you remember the name and email. You will create an email follow-up campaign, so that every time you can add more value to the people, giving them tips about how to sing, how to play trumpet, how to play guitar, and so on, little tips. And you will bring them again back to the funnel, so that the people who didn't buy anything but the songs can then start thinking about buying the guitar lessons, okay. And so this follow-up email follow-up campaign is going to bring them back to the funnel, okay. Give value, make the offer again, then value, then make the offer again into the funnel again, okay. So that at the end, the most of them will convert, because you're not going to sell your songs or your lessons or whatever in just the first time that people goes into your funnel, okay. And am I missing something? Well, okay, yes, I'm missing the answer to this question. Okay, Massimo, but how do I build this funnel? Well, how do I create sales copy which converts people from just listener to people who is buying our songs, our lessons, our compositions, and so on? And how do I drive traffic to YouTube so that people sees my channel, okay, and then into my funnel? By the way, you are using covers because covers are already known, and you are going out of non-existence thanks to the traction of these known songs. People who is searching these known songs is going into your YouTube channel, and then after 3 or 4 covers, they discover your original song. In this way, your channel goes out of non-existence, okay? You are not known, and then people start to know you thanks to the covers about the famous singers and famous songs. And once they are in this kind of pattern, cover, original song, cover, original song, is made so that you go out of non-existence as a band producing their own music. So you go out of non-existence twice, from being known and from being your songs not known, okay. So back, how do I build the funnel? Well, you do this joining the One Funnel Way challenge. this challenge where you will learn all of this. You will learn how to create a irresistible offer, how to create sales copy which converts into the funnel, into the email follow-up list, okay, and how to build physically the web page and so on, you know, in a very instinctive and intuitive way, okay, with a great software, and how to drive traffic to all of this. And at the end of the challenge, you will have your funnel, sales funnel about your band, your group, your songs, your music and so on, built and ready to go and to run with YouTube channel set up and so on, everything, okay? And how do I do this, Massimo? How to join the challenge? You click on the link present in the first comment of this post, or you comment to this post, or you send me a message on Facebook Messenger, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, I don't know, my email, okay, via WhatsApp. If you have my telephone number, you can do this. And if you didn't find the link somewhere here or in the first comment, you will get it from me directly, and you will be able to check how it works and join the challenge. Okay, thank you for your attention. I appreciate it very much, and we'll see us in the next time. And remember, there is something to learn and always something to earn. Ciao.